Fire inspectional services. Here we are doing inspection in Beacon Street. This is the back of the building in the alley. This is 3 connecting balconies. Here's the first one, second one, and third one. It needs regular maintenance, which is scraped and painted. The connections into the wall needs to be repatched with cement. All the tiebacks to the wall, they need to rebolt it because the bolts are gone. The brackets needs to be rebolted, scrape it down and paint it. Same thing on the top. Same thing on this one too, just half to the right. From that pipe to the right is the connecting balcony right there, just that corner. Same thing up there. Fire inspection services. Here we are doing inspection in 321 Beacon Street, Boston. This small problems. This is a connecting balcony from one building to another. The floor grading has spaces problems. It has square head bolts, and every connection has rust jacket. Needs to be taken care of. Needs to be scraped down and fully painted.